Hi everyone, this is Madhura Girish, and let me just tell you that why do I feel there's a need for something like Super Healer to be ever existing? Like, why is this course even necessary? So the first thing is I've been teaching for the last 3 years, and I've been teaching various healing modalities to various people. I teach more than 40 plus healing modalities, and people learn them and they enjoy them. And there comes a time when they feel that I have learned a lot, but what do I do with it? I have helped myself, I've helped my family, but I want to heal others. But where do I find clients from? And that's when I felt like I will give them my clients, and I will, keep giving them clients. But I felt that there is a limitation. How many clients can I create, and how many clients can I give it to each and everyone? So rather, I teach them the process of how they can start getting their own clients. And that's how Super Healer program was born. This is a 3 months of live coaching wherein weekly once we connect, and I coach them personally live, and 1 month of internship where they actually practice, and they understand what are the real challenges when they are understanding to handle clients. And that 1 month of internship is there where they practice, and then lifetime of support is there. What does lifetime support meaning? I don't leave them and abandon them saying that, I don't care, your program is over. I will continue to support them in whatever way possible till they need. And the main mission of Super Healer is that a person who has learned various healing modalities, it could be angel healing, crystal healing, Akashic records, it could be aura healing, it could be card reading, it could be tarot, it could be Akashic records, it could be any healing modalities. We have chakra, aura, Reiki, money Reiki, and so many more healing modalities. Whatever they have learned, once they feel I want to take this up as a profession, I want to heal clients, I want to counsel them, I want to coach them, I want to make this as a full time profession, I want to earn money, they should know how to do that. And in the beginning of anybody's journey, if you ask them to, make landing pages, marketing, spend on FB ads, and do webinars and stuff, then it becomes a little risky, wherein every month you need to hire someone, have a lot of tools, and put in a committed amount of money and time, and then risk it, because sometimes, things work, sometimes they don't work. So what I felt was, let me prepare this person as the perfect tool, which is the biggest tool. I think anybody can make your landing page, anyone can do your funnel, anyone can run your ads. But what's the biggest thing that anyone cannot do is what you do, which is when you get a client, how do you heal them? How do you counsel them? How do you get these clients? How do you price them? How do you package your services? And that's how Super Healer is very, very essential. So let me quickly tell you the step-by-step process of what we do. The week one is access to 10 of my top healing courses. So I have a lot of healing courses, and I feel that no matter what this person has learned, this will be given to them so that they get to understand my style of teaching, my knowledge of, healing, and they will be able to upgrade their skills, because I think learning is a lifetime process. There's a lifelong process. So let them learn a few more healing modalities, and let them get to choose whatever they haven't learned in the past. So here they get to choose 10 courses apart from whatever they have learned from my pre-recorded courses. So these are recorded versions, 10 of them. Second is niche plus self-transformation. In self-transformation, I give them a lot of insight about how they need to prepare themselves to becoming that persona of how they have to be a healer or a coach. So there are various aspects that I cover at the physical level, mental level, emotional level, energetic level, how they are supposed to be changing themselves. And the niche is they have learned various healing modalities, but you can't go out in the world and go out in the social media and say, hey, hi, I'm a healer, and if you have a problem, get in touch with me. Nobody might get in touch. They will not know. But if you tell that, if you are a divorcee going through this mental trauma and feeling ashamed and feeling low, then hi, I'm an expert who can help you. If there's someone who says that, hey, are you someone who is wishing to manifest the love in your life? Then I am your love guru. If there's someone who says, are you on that verge of relationship breakdown? Then I'm your coach. If there's someone who says that, are you a business owner willing to improve your business and scale energetically? Then I'm your business coach, healing. So like that, when we give them a positioning in the market and we let them know that this is what you can be an expert of, then it's good that they can position themselves, see themselves, and become an expert in that particular niche. So that is what we do in week two. Week 3 is we give them knowledge about what are the various passive ways of earning, what are the various active ways of earning in healing. And there are multiple ways that they can do, start their earning. And that is why here they get the knowledge about it. So in niche, they learn how to make their marketing statements, how to position themselves, and how to, talk about whatever they specialize in. Week 4, I teach them how to design a pre-recorded course. For me, this has been a game changer. I have 40 courses which are pre-recorded, and I record courses like this in a jiffy because I know the tricks of how to record it. And that's why I thought I should teach them, because this can be a super source of passive income. It can be good for lead generation. It can be good for many things. It can be used in multiple ways, and I teach them how you can do that. So right from zero, at the end of the 12 weeks, they will have their course ready. Week 5 is starting to record the course, to design the curriculum, to how to do the scripting, how to hold your phone, how to hold your laptop, how to sit. Each and everything that you need will be taught, and you will have the formula to record your courses. Number 6 is learning how to take these one-on-one calls. So there's a lot of possibility of earning a lot of good money when you connect to people on a one-on-one call, because they have that confidentiality and they have that freedom to speak their mind, and the healer also has that freedom to decide what are the pricing that he wants to talk about. So I teach them how they can start one, how they can end one, how they can take this entire one-on-one call, and how they can give them different options. Finding the perfect customer avatar. Who are these customers who you need to target? How do they think? How do they look? How do they even process the thoughts? You need to figure that out and then target them. That's why it's important to know who are our customers. Week 8 is all about learning how to record your ad and learning this beautiful thing called as 30 reel formula. So I guess that it's very important for us to be on social media today. Without being seen, it's important to sell. Even if someone wants to buy something from you, they want to see who you are, and they will say, what's your Instagram page? What's your Facebook page? Are you on YouTube? And only if you're there, then you look more authentic there. So definitely it's important to be on social media, and hence I teach them how you could have the perfect reels, and not just reels, but reels which help you in conversion into leads that get closed. So that's what they learn over here. They learn to how to make their ads also. Week 9 is about automation and integration. This is not a very complex technicality. It's something that you can do yourself. It's a process through which you can start getting clients, and clients can book appointment with you by knowing what you do. And it's a very beautiful way of connecting to clients personally. Week 10 is all about pricing, packaging, and designing combos. So when we do healing, we do distance healing, we do counseling, we do consulting. So how do you price them? How do you package them? How do you understand the needs of the clients? How do you mix logic with magic? And how do you sell these services of yours is what you will be learning in this pricing. So a lot of people say that, should I charge this? Should I charge that? Is this more? Is this less? So it's very important that you know that you charge perfectly well, which is not too more, not too less, and something that's going to give you realistic results as well. So this is what you learn in week number 10. Week 11 is setting up your healing space. So a lot of people struggle with that, that I don't want to hire a place, or I don't want to rent a place where it becomes a commitment of salaries, and it becomes a commitment of water bill, current bill, interiors, and going and giving your time. So how do you still, without investing into any of this, without investing into any major tools, without investing into any physical space, how could you create a beautiful healing space for yourself? And how could you do that at zero cost? Then week 12 is all about healing and counseling virtually. So, it's very different when you want to heal and counsel someone virtually. And I have done that for a really long time. I've done a lot of one-on-one sessions. I've done a lot of group sessions. I've done more than 500 plus webinars. I've done more than 500 plus live television shows. I've understood, I have an offline store as well. And I've understood how it is to handle clients when we are offline. And I've understood how it is when we are handling clients online. So it's very different. And that is why I feel that I can teach you. So what makes me authentic to teach you all of this is simply my experience in the past 3 years, the kind of webinars I've done, the kind of one-on-ones that I've done, the kind of counseling that I've done, the kind of free sessions I've done, the kind of sales I've done from my landing pages, the kind of courses that I've created, the kind of community that I was able to create. gives me that authenticity to tell you that if I can do it, so can you. I was not someone who has, who was born with these skills. I'm someone who has learned them. If I can learn them, so can you. So I would only say that, it's the will that you should have within you, that you can do this. And the bonus that I'm going to give you, I'm going to give you various ways on how you can monetize your healing skills, the both paid and non-paid. Suppose you say, I don't want to invest anything at this point of time, like FB ads or running people in my team and having them. I don't want to invest in all of that. Then still you should be able to get clients without having a team, without having to invest in tools, without having to put any money anywhere, except for learning this beautiful coaching method, which is called Super Healer. You're not the first who is going to learn. There are more than 100 plus people who have learned this, and they have got results. People who have earned more than 14, 15 lakhs per month now. So I think if they can do it, so can you. And we have enough testimonials and enough people who have shared their journey of how they transformed themselves and how they took this up as a profession and how they want to help a lot of people from now. So I would just say that if you're on the verge of thinking that I've learned a lot and I want to make this my profession, I love this subject, this is my passion, I want to earn from this not just money but also blessings, then go ahead. Without thinking twice, you should go ahead. So this is something that you can take up. And that's why I would say I'm on a mission to create one healer in every house. That can happen when you join and choose to become that super healer. Thank you.